One of my subscribers told me she takes my keto biscuit recipe and cooks it in a waffle maker, so of course I had to try it. And I think she might have unlocked something because this made the crispiest chaffle I've ever had, and there's no cheese. I mixed together total milk protein powder, heavy cream, softened butter, baking powder, and a little salt. The batter is thick, just like my biscuit dough, but instead of baking it, I added it right to my waffle maker. Crispy edges, soft inside, and perfect for breakfast sandwiches, burgers, or just eating with butter. Thank you to my subscriber for the idea because this one is definitely staying in my rotation. I will have the recipe and everything I used linked below. It's good.
They can't hear us.
They can too. These are crunchy. Oh my god. It's super crunchy. I love it. Stop taking my butter. This is the best damn chaffle I ever ate. So good. I might eat the whole dang thing. They're so good.
Imagine putting tuna and chicken salad on it.
Oh my god. It's my new favorite. This is worth it. It's so good. Thank you to my subscriber who said she makes them like this because this is perfect. Oh my god. All right, y'all. Thanks for joining me and watching this video. And if you're going to try this new biscuit hack, let me know in the comments down below. That made my tummy happy.